Good morning guys, in front of me is Doogee T10e and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select Wallpaper and Style, and here mark Change Wallpaper. Now you can either take one from your own photos or you can check on device wallpapers. Then select the picture that you want to cover your screen with. If you don't like this one, just go back and select another one. Now you can take a look how it looks on both home and lock screen. And once you want to set it up, just click on confirmation mark and then decide if it's for your home and lock screens or just lock screen. In my case, it's for both, so from now on you can notice this brand new wallpaper on your screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.